In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to share your latest thoughts, findings, or even a helpful video, LinkedIn is a powerful platform to get your message across professionally. Let's walk you through the process, step by step, and throw in some handy tips to make your post stand out. First things first, head over to the LinkedIn website. Now you'll see the option to sign in. You can conveniently sign in with Google or continue with your LinkedIn account. Occasionally, LinkedIn adds an extra layer of security by asking you to solve a CAPTCHA. This is just a simple step to ensure it's really you trying to log in. Once you're successfully signed in, it's time to start crafting your post. You'll find the Start a Post button at the top of your feed. It's quite prominent so you can't miss it. Click on it and you're halfway there to sharing your voice with your network. Now for the highlight of today's tutorial, adding a video to your post. Click on the Add Media option. This is where you can browse through your computer and select the video you'd like to share with your network. Find your video file, select it, and click Open to upload it to your post. And guess what? If you have a video on YouTube you'd like to share instead, you can simply paste the YouTube video link here. It's that versatile. After uploading your video, it's time to add some context to it. Type in your thoughts, insights, or a detailed description to go along with your video. This step is crucial because it provides your audience with valuable context about what they're about to watch. A well-crafted message can significantly increase engagement and stimulate discussion. Lastly, once you're satisfied with your post and the message you've crafted, hit the post button. Just like that, your video and message are now live for your LinkedIn network and beyond to see, engage with, and share. Posting on LinkedIn is not just about sharing content. It's about starting conversations and connecting with others professionally. Remember, the more engaging and valuable your content, the more likely it is to get noticed. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to post a video on LinkedIn, along with some tips to make your post more engaging. Don't forget to keep an eye on your post for any comments or reactions, and try to engage back with your audience. It's all about building and nurturing professional relationships. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you share your valuable insights and stories on LinkedIn more effectively. Keep posting and see the difference it makes in your professional networking.